Hey guys, Cutterup Rob here. I just wanted to show you guys how to tell what head gasket you have in your truck when you're taking it apart. So I got a bunch of Victor Rein's gaskets here. I only have two different sizes, but I'll show you. So if you look across this edge, when you're taking your head gasket apart, if you look across this edge right here, now not all of them are the same. So you want to watch here. If there's nothing marked and there's no notches in any of these, like I would recommend, the Cummins ones are here or here. But sometimes Felpro is here, different manufacturers, right? So if you look right here, there's no notch, so that'll be a standard head gasket. Now, if you look at this one, see there's a notch right there? Look at the two of them. You'll see the difference. The top one has a notch, the bottom one doesn't. So that means that this gasket is a 10 over head gasket. So it's 10 thou thicker than the factory one. So this is the factory one. This one is 61 thou thick, crushed. And then this one is 71 thou thick. And then they also make an 81 thou thick in a stock style gasket. But I just wanted to mention that to you guys. Not a real long video, but just that is pretty important if you guys are doing a head gasket on your truck. You want to make sure that you're checking to see what head gasket you have. If you're checking your piston protrusion, which you should be doing, and checking your valve recession, there again, you should be doing. But if you don't have tools or don't know how to do that, I do have videos on it, so check out the videos. But you can quickly see what head gasket is in there, and you can see that without taking the head apart. So if you're just doing a gasket tuck where you're cleaning everything up, putting it back together. So there again, don't recommend, but guys that are doing it, you can see what head gasket you have before you take it apart. So anyways, like, subscribe. You got comments, hit me down below. If you got any questions, hit me down below and go from there. Thanks, guys.